Paid forward rewards. This is a one-of-a-kind utility feature unlike anything else in the crypto space. A generous portion of every platform fee is contributed daily through paid forward rewards, ensuring active users continuously benefit from platform growth. Getting started is simple. Navigate to your dashboard, click Enable Rewards, and activate your BNB PIF rewards. If you become inactive for more than 48 hours, rewards will automatically pause. Simply re-enable them anytime and resume earning. We've built a protection system to ensure fairness and prevent abuse. Our system includes a device-based verification layer. Each account is limited to one verified device for reward activation. Multiple accounts on the same device will not be eligible for rewards. This ensures a level playing field and protects the integrity of the ecosystem for all users. Track your earnings. Easily monitor your paid forward rewards directly from your dashboard. Scroll down to your earnings streams to view your total accumulated rewards and to view your to-date information. This pop-up provides your up-to-date paid forward rewards payouts. Return to this section and click on Redeem to transfer your tokens into your withdrawal balance. A confirmation prompt will appear to finalize your transfer. Simply click Transfer to complete the process, and once redeemed, your PIF tokens are transferred to your withdrawal balance and are ready to be withdrawn into your wallet. You'll see your reward status indicator. Green indicates your rewards are enabled and active for automatic claim. Disabled means your rewards are just only paused. If inactive, simply click Re-enable and continue earning automatically. At thebenefactor.net, value isn't extracted, it is redistributed back to the users who helped create it.